Looking for the best air fryers in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from cooking performance and capacity to design and ease of use. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Instant Pot Vortex Slim XL, a compact yet powerful air fryer that packs a punch. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for small to medium-sized meals while saving valuable kitchen counter space. This model is crisp, roasts, reheats, bakes, and broils, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. One of its standout features is how quiet it runs, unlike some louder air fryers on the market. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and hassle-free. You also get access to over 100 in-app recipes from Instant Pot's app, giving you plenty of cooking inspiration. If you want an efficient, space-saving air fryer with smart features and easy cleaning, the Instant Pot Vortex Slim XL is a solid choice. At number 4, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a premium countertop oven that doubles as a powerful air fryer. With 1800 watts of power and a spacious interior, it can fit a whole 14-pound turkey or multiple trays of food at once, making it ideal for families and entertaining. This versatile appliance offers 13 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even slow cook, so you can prepare a wide variety of meals with one device. The Element IQ technology smartly adjusts the heat for even cooking and crispy results every time. It also features an easy-to-use digital interface with precise temperature control and a built-in light, so you can monitor your food without opening the door. If you want professional-grade performance and flexibility in your kitchen, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is hard to beat. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer, FN101GY, a compact powerhouse that redefines convenience in air frying. This 1,500-watt system includes 2 thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass containers, a 6-cup for quick single servings, and a 4-quart for larger meals, like a whole 4 pounds chicken. The Crispi Power Pod snaps onto the container, offering 4 cooking functions: air fry, max crisp, bake, and recrisp. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel, and the glass containers double as cooking and storage vessels, complete with leak-resistant lids. All parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. With its portability, versatility, and sleek design, the Ninja Crispi is perfect for quick, crispy meals with minimal mess. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 10-quart dual-zone Smart XL Air Fryer, DZ550, a powerhouse designed for large families and meal prepping. Featuring 2 5-quart baskets, this air fryer allows you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously with dual-zone technology, ensuring they finish at the same time using the Smart Finish feature. The integrated Foodie Smart Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, delivering perfect doneness from rare to well done at the touch of a button. With 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, you can prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup a breeze, while the sleek design ensures it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines capacity, versatility, and smart technology, the Ninja DZ550 is a top contender. Taking the top spot is the COSORI TurboBlaze 6.0-quart Air Fryer, a standout for its speed, versatility, and value. Equipped with a powerful DC motor, it cooks up to 46% faster than traditional AC-powered air fryers, delivering crispy results with up to 95% less oil. The 5-speed airflow system ensures even cooking, while the precise temperature control ranges from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating a variety of recipes. With 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. It offers versatility for all your culinary needs. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, and the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use air fryer, the COSORI Turbo Blaze is a top choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the links. Let me know your favorite air fryer in the comments below. See you next time.